Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks very much for joining me here today for a very simple tutorial on how to make a bento bag. I absolutely love this design, got inspired, different people doing it on Instagram and on YouTube, so I thought I'd make it and share it with you. It can be used for wrapping gifts, filling it up with produce, or for carrying your lunch. Let's get right into the video. For this, I used a scrap of material. Now, whatever size you want to make it, the way to do it is the ratio 1:3. So 1 part being the width, with 3 parts being the length. So I did 90 centimeters. If you have a pinking shears, then that is far better because then it won't fray. When you've got your rectangle, you got to lift one corner up to the top and use a pin to just secure it into place. Then you go to the other side and you go from the top end down and pop another pin into place. Now you've got a little square in the middle and you go from the top left-hand corner and you bring it all the way down to the bottom, like I'm doing here. And that's basically the shape of the bag. So with those 2 pieces of material there, you're going to pin them together because that's the one we're going to sew on this side and on the other side. Pin it all into place, just pull it together like so. And this is our basic bag pattern. Switch it around to the other side and do the exact same. And that's the basic shape. Now you're just going to sew it. Sewing machine, or this is easy to do by hand also. You've done one side and the other and then turn it inside out. And there you go. It's so simple. And yet it's really functional. I love using it to carry bread when I'm going to a friend's house or as a gift. These are so easy to make, just get a bit of material, you can make loads really quickly. If you're at the shop and you need a produce bag, really handy for that. And then you just give it a tie and that's your handle. If you want to use it as an actual bag, just tie it at the top and there you have yourself a bag which should be used to carry anything. So that's it. It couldn't have been quicker. The simple bento bag. Sew it up in no time at all. I think it's really nifty. A really great addition to your zero waste kit. So let me know what you think down below. And I'll chat to you over on Instagram. Thanks very much for watching the video. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.